Awilo lokomba Eguchiga tokawa Wabad ni iwabad I live in like no other Ewanya na kwachu Nyabido bawa gibe I don't need talk